Thutha wa gukorwo mahingite mirango ya biacara ciao kwa ihinda, riu ene mikawa na aria mendagia irio mari na mweke wa gucokereria no to kuhingura mirango na kwambiriria kuihurira a Kenya irio amu mawatho na mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni thirikari no nginyagia irumirirwo. Riu no nginyagia aria marenda gucokereria biacara-ini ino makorwo makigata marua meru ma wendia na kumatwara wabici-ini cia ministry ya ugima wa mwiri thiini wa county. Maabitha a thirikari magitanywo guthurima mikawa yothe mbere ya kuhingurwo.
Requirements are to ensure that all the gains you have made in containing this pandemic are not lost by opening these restaurants. And we urge a lot of patience for the operators as they get inspected. Please be patient and do not open until you are fully inspected and licensed.
Hamwe na mawatho mangi maria magathikitwo ni gutigirira ati aruti wira othe mikawa-ini ino ni mathimitwo kana mari na murimu wa coronavirus, gutigirira customer matirakuhaniriria na oho gutigirira ati ni marathimwo urugari wao wa mwiri mbere ya kuingira mikawa-ini.
You'll be required to install a contact-free thermometer and ensure that every person entering the premises has his or her body temperature taken. Anybody coming the temperature of above 37.5 should not be allowed to enter those restaurants and eateries.
No ona mbere ya maya mothe gukinyanirio, ene mikawa aria twaranirie nao marauga giki kia ya gukorwo ari kibarua kirito makiria muno gwakinya ni garama ya gutigirira ati aruti wira othe ni mathimitwo murimu uyu.
To give you a perspective, on average size restaurants will have probably, let's say, 20 employees. Now, each test of COVID in Kenya is, I'm told, about 10,000 to 12,000 shillings. Now, for 20 employees, that's about 200,000 shillings. Now, in a situation where we have zero revenues and rentals and salaries to pay, I am not sure how many restaurants will be able to afford this kind of an expense at this point in time.
Na ona kugikinya ati gutire muruti wa wira okunyitikana na murimu uyu ogwati ogukorwo o makureire maitho amukuri na mianya kuria murimu uyu ungingirira.
Even if we comply and do all of that, the employees still have to go back in matatus, still have to go to their respective homes on which the restaurant has absolutely no control on. So therefore, despite taking all these precautions, if, God forbid, there is an untoward case which happens, then what are the repercussions on the restaurant and the restaurant owners?
Na kuri aria mehokaga muno biacara mathaini ma utuko no meguthie na mbere gutara hathara amu mikawa yothe iri hinguragwo na kuhingwo gatagati-ini ga thaa 11 cia rucini na thaa 10 cia hwaini.
The challenge there is that we have to shut down the restaurant at about 4:30 because we have to give time to the employees to reach back their homes before the curfew of 7 p.m. sets in.
Ukiwa umefungua mchana mpaka saa 10 na umefunga, hakuna kitu bado hapo, kwa sababu wateja wengi sana hapo wamefunga, na tunategemea biashara yetu ni kuanzia 6:30 ambao wateja baada ya kufungua madhini wakae hapa wakule, wenye kutoka baadaye baada kula wazunguke wakienda misikitini wakitembea wakija wakila. So imekuwa ngumu sana. So curfew imetuweza hapo bado.
Thirikari yugite ndiraregeria murugamo wayo gwakinya ni mawatho na mitaratara ino amu ino noyo njira ya kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu uyu guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.